Good morning, class. I'm Justin, and I hope you're doing really good today. Do you know why we say banana and not banana, or chicken and not chicken? It's because in English we have this thing called the schwa sound. And the schwa sound is the most common sound in the English language. That makes the schwa sound pretty important to know. We use the schwa sound to make English words a little easier to pronounce. Saying banana is a little more difficult and takes more effort to say than just saying banana. And the schwa sound sounds like a very soft, lazy UH or an I sound, but it's really lazy. It's just kind of like eh, eh, eh. When learning it, you do have to think about intentionally saying it lazy or underpronouncing it. Common words with a schwa sound are money, panda, pencil, zebra, and camel. The symbol looks like an upside down E, but there's actually no rule about what vowels or order of vowels make the schwa sound. So just because it looks like an E doesn't mean it's related to the E. We do have the E in chicken, but we don't have it in banana. And then a word like carrot, that has an O. Carrot and not carrot. But we can take hints from syllables. Chicken has 2 syllables, banana has 3 syllables. And we're always going to stress one syllable. In chicken, it's the chick, chick-n. And banana, banan, The schwa sound is going to appear in an unstressed syllable, like chick-n, the sound. And then in banana, we have 2 schwa sounds, the first and third syllables. Banana. Now I'm going to put some words on the screen, and I want you to listen and try to find that schwa sound. About, balloon, children, above, below, blanket, salad, problem, parrot, lemon. Now, I'm going to say the words again, and I want you to repeat after me. And I want you to focus on really saying that schwa sound in a really lazy way. You'd be like, like that. About, balloon, children, above, below, blanket, salad, problem, parrot, and lemon. Now that you know what the schwa sound is, I think you're going to recognize it a lot more now. And you're going to understand more on why we don't always really pronounce all the vowels in a word. I really appreciate a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate you subscribing to the channel for more videos like this, all right? And then I think that's it. Justin out.